pulling it all together for the MSSP doing the APP Plus, what are the characteristics your team sees today of MSSP clients who excel in the APM reporting process?
Yeah, it's not that different actually from the MIPS folks who excel. It really comes down to engagement. With MSSP folks, the more understanding that the ACO has and the more connection that the ACO has with some of their practices, occasionally that can make a big difference. But in general, if the ACOs are engaged and working, following the steps, working towards the next goal, they're going to be successful. There are, of course, some unique barriers in the APP ACO landscape. Oftentimes, the ACO doesn't necessarily own the data that the practices have. So, the more time that a APP or an ACO would have to cultivate a relationship and gain those accesses, the better. That being said, in general, if you are engaged and continuing to work towards your goals in the project, you're going to be successful and you're going to see progress.